Just when it looked like the It Ends With Us legal battle was finally over, the courtroom drama is back. Justin Baldoni is now telling Blake Lively one thing loud and clear: he doesn't believe she deserves more than $8 million in legal fees. According to TMZ, Baldoni has officially opposed Blake Lively's request for more than $8 million in attorney's fees, asking the judge to reject the demand altogether. Court documents obtained by TMZ show that Baldoni and his Wayfarer team argue the amount is wildly overinflated. His attorney, Brian Friedman, claims Lively has failed to provide sufficient evidence proving she is entitled to such a massive payout. According to the filing, Baldoni argues that Lively's request includes legal work that goes far beyond defending his now dismissed $400 million defamation lawsuit. He also claims some of the fees relate to matters the court had already refused to compensate. Baldoni says that if the judge decides to award legal fees at all, the amount should be reduced dramatically, from more than $8 million to a six-figure sum. Blake Lively's side disagrees. A source close to the actress told TMZ that Baldoni's legal argument is inconsistent with the law. The source claims the statute allows recovery for the successful defense of the entire litigation, not just the defamation claim, and says Baldoni's filing ignores that point. The source also said that both lawsuits were consolidated by the judge, arguing that Baldoni's team cannot now separate the claims simply to reduce the legal fees. The latest filing comes just weeks after the two stars settled the remaining parts of their long-running legal dispute. In May, both parties reached a settlement that avoided a public trial over Blake Lively's breach of contract and retaliation claims. Neither side admitted wrongdoing, and no financial damages were awarded as part of that agreement. The renewed legal battle also comes just days after Justin Baldoni broke his silence for the first time since the settlement. In a 5-minute Instagram video shared with his wife Emily Baldoni, he described the last 2 years as traumatic and said the experience had been filled with injustice and pain. In the video, Baldoni said he had deliberately stayed silent because he wanted the justice system to run its course. He also thanked supporters who stood by him, saying there were so many of you who, when we didn't have a voice, were our voice. According to Stylecaster, that video reportedly did not sit well with Blake Lively. Citing an unnamed source, the outlet reported that the actress was absolutely furious and believed Baldoni's message was an attempt to portray himself as the victim after the legal battle had ended. Neither Blake Lively nor her representatives have publicly responded to Baldoni's video. However, the reported reaction surfaced as the dispute over legal fees continues to play out in court. For now, the settlement may have ended one chapter of the It Ends With Us saga, but the fight over who pays the legal bills is very much alive. The judge will now decide whether Blake Lively receives the millions she has requested or whether Justin Baldoni's challenge succeeds. From a $400 million defamation lawsuit to an $8 million legal fee battle, one of Hollywood's most closely watched legal feuds refuses to fade away. And with both sides still digging in, this courtroom drama may not be over just yet.